Hello, my name is Jens. Welcome to the Kindermann booth in Hall 5. I'm showing you the new Click and Show wireless presentation system. This year we are introducing a new generation of hardware which consists of a new base unit and two new types of dongles which work without software driver. So we call it a universal wireless presentation system, and we are the only manufacturer in the world who offers a solution that has dongle-based, software driver-based dongles and driverless dongles. So last year we introduced the standard Click and Show system with a USB-based dongle transmitter. And this year we are introducing a new HDMI dongle which does not need a software driver to operate, and in addition this is still a mock-up, but in May we will be launching the USB-C driverless dongle transmitter. In addition, the new base units will be able to show up to 4 screen contents on the main screen. In this example you see already 2, and you see that the new dongles are capable of transmitting 1080p with 60 Hz frame rate. So welcome to the Kindermann booth, and I'm excited to explain the product to you. Thank you very much. The website is www.klickandshow.com.